key components of an API. So first one is endpoints. So what is called endpoints? When specific URLs where API expose their services. So let me talk here. Let's say there is example. Let's say www dot facebook.com and followed with one users. So that is called user. So this is the URL. This whole part is called URL, and this user, this is called endpoint. So you API endpoint is called as, this is called endpoint, and this complete information till here, it is called API endpoint. API endpoint, API endpoint, or we can say API URL, or API URL.